Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel Waste IT Solution to all of you again. So this is a continuous series from my previous video tutorial. So in previous video I have discussed 10 up to question number 10 of Java 8 stream API interview coding question. Okay. So there are some more questions are there. So we will discuss in this video. Okay. So up to yes, question number 10 up to we have done in previous tutorial. Okay, you can see my previous video up to this and now in question number 11 we will discuss here. So question 11 is write a program to find average of a list of numbers. Okay, so how can we calculate the average from a list of numbers? We will discuss in this tutorial. Okay. So suppose the list of number is, so this suppose this is our list. Okay, so this is the list. Okay, so this is our list. I am just changing the value. Suppose 20, sorry 20 and 24, 35, 15 and 19, 30. Okay, so this is the list of numbers. So by using stream API, how can you calculate the average? List dot stream dot, there is a function called map to int. So if we first we need to map the element one by one, then we need to calculate the average. Okay, so map to int, and we will pass the element one by one here. Dot, there is a method called average dot get us double. Okay, so since average may be double value can be written, so we need to convert it into double and control 2 just L, yes, it's the average, and we need to print the average. System dot out dot println average. Okay, just save it and run the application. Yes, you can see the average is 23.8333. So if we have delete some value from here, you can also see the average like, yes, 22.6. Okay, so this is in this way we can calculate the average from a list of numbers. Okay. So our next question is question number 12. Write a program to square each number, then filter above 100, then calculate the average. Okay. So next question is write a program to square each number by using the map we can square each number, then filter above 100 which value is above 100 we can filter, then calculate the average. Okay. Okay, so first we need to define that list. So suppose this is our list. Okay, we can take this list. So this is a list of integer list and up to suppose this. So we need to square each number. So list dot stream dot map, there is a map method, the map function we need to double the each element, that means e into e, it will square the each number. Then you need to filter the element whose value is greater than 100, then dot, again we need to convert it map to int, map to int. Okay, then we can calculate the average. Calculate the average. Yes, average dot get as double, and store it in a double value, double element, double variable. Okay, suppose it is average. So since we are calculating above 100, so some data should be there, like some more value is there, should be there. 13 and suppose 15. Okay, so these are all, a square will be, should be above 100 some value. Then we can print this average value. Okay, average. Just save it and run it. Yes, we can see that it will filtering the first, it will squaring each number, then filter whose value is above 100, then it will calculating the average value. Okay, so this is the question number 12. This is the question number 12. Our next question is, write a program to find the number starts with 1. So similar questions I have already done before. Here I have done in another way also we can do. Write a program to find the number starts with 1. Okay. So suppose this is the list. Now list dot stream dot map, we can make it as string in this way. There is in string class there is a method string dot value of. So string dot value of e, then dot filter, which one will filter, which value e dot starts with 1, starts with 1, then dot map, we need to convert it into integer again, integer dot value of. Okay, so directly we can call the method like integer colon value of. Okay, then we need to collect it in a list, dot collectors dot to list. Okay, yes. Now store this in a local variable in a list. So this is list 2. Now we can print this list. Okay, so here we are doing the string, using string class. There is the method value of, we are converting the integer into the list. Then with the help of this list 2, now we are doing the operation. Okay, Just save it and run it. And run it in this way. 11, 13, 15. Okay, so this is the output. 11, 13, 15. Okay, so in this way we can calculate the list of variable. Question of fine. Okay, so these are the number which starts with 1. Okay, 11, 13 and 15. So our next question is question number 14. Write a program to find duplicate element from a list. Okay. So how can we remove the duplicate, find the duplicate element from a list? Okay. So suppose this is the this is our list of integer arranged as list 11 to suppose this is again it is 2 and this is again 11. Okay, so this is the duplicate element. Now how can we find the duplicate element from the list? Okay, so list dot stream dot filter okay, we are filtering the element collections dot frequency, whose frequency is greater than 1. Collections dot frequency will pass that list here and will pass the element whose value greater than 1. Okay, dot collect, then collectors dot to set will collect in a set. So collections dot collectors dot to list, collectors dot to set, list dot stream dot filter. Then we can collect the collections. We can pass the frequency list is the element, and then if which element is greater than 1, we will collect that one and store in a set. Okay, just store it in local variable, that is list 2. Now sys out list 2. Just save it and run it. Okay, so there is 2 and the 11. So this is the repeated element. If we will add another, suppose 5, then 5 also now duplicate. Now it will also print. Yes, you can see 2, 5 and 11 is the repeated element. Okay, so in this way we can find the duplicate element from a list of integer. Just comment it. So our next question is question number 15. Write a program to find max and minimum number from a list. Write a program to find max and min number from a list. Okay. Max and min number from a list. Okay, so now in a list, how can we calculate the minimum number and maximum number? Suppose this is the list. How can we calculate the minimum and maximum number? Remove the duplicate, no needed. Yes. Now list dot stream dot max. So there is a max method for getting the maximum element. Then comparator dot comparing integer colon value of, then dot get. Okay, so this will return the maximum element. Control to integer, suppose the max. This is the max. Okay, now sys out max. So this is the 16 is the max element. Suppose here I have added another element, suppose 30. Now that is the max element here. Yes, you can see 30 is the output. And in case of minimum, the same, we should use the mean method. Okay, so this is the mean, leader distributed mean. Comparing integer dot value of dot get. Okay, so it will print the mean. Okay, yes, minimum is the 2. Suppose I add another element 1. Now the minimum is 1. Yes, maximum is 30 and the minimum is 1. Okay, so in this way we can find the minimum and maximum element from a list. So our next question is So our next question, write a program to sort ascending and descending order a list. So a list, how can we sort it in ascending or descending order? Okay, so this is the 16. So 17 and this is 18, this is 19, this is 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 5, 26, 27, 28, 29, this one 30, this one 31. Okay, so now 16 is write a program to sort ascending or descending order in a list. How can we print a list in ascending or descending order? Write a program to sort ascending or descending order a list. Okay, so suppose the list is, so this one the list, eleven, 2, 3, 13, 5, 15. Okay, now for ascending, print in ascending or descending order list dot stream dot sorted. This is sorted method. Sorted dot collect collectors dot to list. Collectors dot to list. Okay, so this will print this in ascending order. Okay, now list 2 will print the list 2. List 2 will print in ascending order 2, 3, 5, 11, 13, 15. And for descending order, and we can use So this is the list 3. List dot is sorted. In sorted, we need to pass the collections dot reverse order. Okay. Now just print it. Yes, you can see this is the ascending order and this is the 15, 13, 11 in the reverse order. This is descending order. Okay. So in this way we can print a list in ascending or descending order. So this is question number 16, and the next question is write a program to print limit number, first 5 number and print sum of them. How to print the limit number? Okay. Program print the limit number, first 5 number and print sum of them. Then list. Sorry. So where is the list? Suppose this is our list. So list dot stream dot limit. There is a limit method. Limit up to which? Na? Suppose limit 5 dot reduce a comma b, then a plus b. Okay, first it will remove the first 5 elements, then it will calculate the sum. Dot get. Now it will store in a variable. Sorry, assign in local variable. Suppose this is the sum. Now print this sum. $34. Okay, so this is our first 5 sum. Suppose we are made it 10, then it should be 33. Yes, 33. So this way we can print the limit number and find the sum also. So our next question is question number 18. Write a program to find highest or lowest number from a list. Second highest. Okay, second highest number. Sorry. How can you find the second highest and second lowest number from a list? So suppose this is the list. Just copy here, copy and paste here. Now to calculate the highest, list dot stream dot sorted, it will sort, then dot limit. We can distinct first. If there is a duplicate element, we should distinct the unique element. Dot skip the first, skip 1, then dot find first skip and the second value print. Then sorry, dot get. Okay, so store it in a variable, integer variable. This is the second highest. second highest. Sys out SISO, the second, so this is the second lowest, this is the second lowest. For second highest we need to sort in descending order. Okay, so just copy this to line, print it, and here suppose this second lowest. This is the second lowest district, and we need to pass here the collections dot reverse order. Okay, and this is the second lowest. Okay, no, this is the second, this is the second lowest. And this is the second highest. Okay, just print it. Yes, you can see the second lowest is the 3, and second highest is the here 15 is the highest, and second highest is the 13. Okay, so in this way we can get the second highest and second lowest number. Now our next question is, suppose a list of employee having field name, salary, list of project, increase the salary of each employee by 10%. Okay, so this is the list of employee having field name, salary. So we need to create an employee class first, then only we can execute this query, execute this question. So here we need to create an employee class first having field name, salary, and project. Okay, so I am just going to create a employee class here, new class employee. So in this class we can take the values like private string name, private double salary, private list of this type of list type is string, this is the project. Okay, list, you need to import this from Java utility package, then you need to create the constructor getter and setter. So generate constructor using field, select all, generate. Also you need to create a default constructor, source. Okay, this is the default constructor, and we need to also create the getter and setter. Source, generate, getter and setters, select all field, generate. Also for create the object we need to override the toString method, generate toString method. Okay. So these are employee class. Now we need to assign some initialize some value to this to these employee attributes. Okay, this field field. Okay, eld. Now how can we assign value? So we need to create some like a list. We need to create some list of project. Suppose list of string, and this is our project. Okay, sorry, list string type, and this is the project. Equal to arrays dot as list. Suppose this is the project 1, project 2, project 3. This is the list of project. Then okay, create a list of project. Okay. Now we need to create the list of employee. Okay, so employee, suppose employee 1, mp1 equal to new employee, and we need to pass the parameters. So parameter like first parameter is a name. Suppose the name is John, and the second parameter is salary. So salary is suppose okay, this is the salary, and third parameter is the list. So suppose this is the project. This is the third parameter. Okay, we can pass that list to third parameter. Point 50. Need to pass the double value. Okay, since the list is double. And the same way we can create another employee. Okay, so employee 1, this is employee 2, and this is employee 3, and suppose this is Mike, and this is Sarin, and the salary is suppose 5600, it is 680, 6850. Okay, so we have all assigned the same project. Okay, the project list of project we have assigned. We can also create the different projects, project 1, project 2, and we can pass different project to here. Okay, so simply employee list. Now we need to create the employee list. So list of employee emp list equal to arrays dot as list mp1, mp2, mp3. Just I can print this out in emp first. Emp list, stem saying what is printing. Just save and rerun it. Yes, employee list is printed. Now our requirement is we can requirement is to double the salary, or salary should be increased by 10%. Okay, so now emp list dot stream dot map. So in map method we need to pass that each employee. So new employee, then we should fetch the name, get name dot e dot get salary into 10%, then e dot get project. Okay, you fetch all the element, then we can collect it as collect collectors dot to list. We can collect in a list also, collector dot to list. Assign it in a list variable. So this is the final list. Okay, just print this final list. And remove this statement. We need not to print here the list. Just save it and launch this. So we can see our salary has increased by this is 3450, it is increased by 10%, and this also salary increased by 10%. 6160 original salary is 5600, and this is also increased by the 10%. Okay, so in this way we can find the get the salary and increase by the 10%. So our next question is, just commented this one. Our next question, question number 20, print the list of all projects. Okay, so we should print the list of all project. Print list of, how we can print list of all projects. So this is the project 1, project 2, we should print this list of all projects. So then emp list, sorry, here emp list dot stream dot map, then e employee dot get projects, get project, then dot we can flat map. Okay, first we can write the collect it, collectors dot before collecting we need to flatting actually project 1 project 2 dot flat map and s dot stream, then we can collect the projects, collectors dot joining by comma. Okay, and now store it in a list variable, sorry, project list. this out. This is the project list. Just save it and run it. Yes. This is the project 1, project 2, project 3. This is the flattening all the projects. Okay. Since we have passed this project 1, project 2 and 3 employees, for this reason, project 1, project 2, project 3 repeated 3 times. If there is project 4, project 5, we have created another list, then all the projects here it will be displayed. Okay. Project 3, then project 4, project 5, project 6, different project will be displayed. Since we have added same project to all employees, for that reason it is printed total 9 times, because 3 project 3 employees. Okay, so this is the question number 20. The next question is sort the employee based on salary. Okay. So sort the employee based on the salary. So emp list dot stream dot sorted. So in sort method you need to pass the, suppose, E1, E2, E1, E2, E1 dot get salary dot compare to E2 dot get salary. Okay. Now store it in a stream variable. Okay. Emp list dot stream sorted E1, E2, E1 dot get salary, E2 dot compared to E2 dot get salary. Okay. Now print this sorted. Just save it and run it. It's not working here. List.stream.sorted 1 or 2 object, E1, E2 object we have passed, and E1.get salary compare to E2.get salary. Not comparing. Either it is printing the hash value. So, we need to collect it first. Okay. So before storing in a stream, we need to collect it. So dot collect collectors dot to list, then store it in a list variable. Okay, and just print this list here. Yes, so now you can see we have printed this based on the salary first, low salary, then highest salary, then is the highest. Okay, so based on the salary we have sorted the employee. Okay, and our next question is find max and mean salary of the employee. Okay, So how we can calculate the max and mean salary of the employee? So emp list dot stream dot, there is a max method, max. So we need to pass the comparator object, comparator dot comparing based on the salary, employee dot, sorry, employee scope resolution operator get salary. Okay, dot or else throw no such element exception, throw no such element exception. Okay, now just store it in a variable, any variable, and just, so this is employee. Now just print it. So this is the maximum salary employee who has the maximum salary. Okay, and for minimum, simply we should pass that same code. We need to pass the mean. We use the mean method. Okay, so this is the employee mean. Here we use the mean method, employee mean. This is the, okay, this is the employee max. Okay, save it and run. Okay, so this is the minimum salary employee, maximum salary employee, and this is the minimum salary employee. So in this way we can find the max and minimum salary of employee. Our next question is find the total salary of all employee. Okay, so how can we find the total salary of the all employee? Okay, so how we can find the total salary of the all employee? Okay, so emp list dot stream dot map e dot get salary. Okay, dot, there is a method called reduce, okay, reduce double. Okay, sum, just store it in a sum, double variable. Okay, and print this sum. Okay, so this is the total salary of the all employee or all employee. Okay, so this is the employee, the 345056006850, total sum is 15901. Okay, so our next question is how we can write a program to find out the duplicate name from a employee list. Okay, so suppose in this employee list there is a duplicate name, so I am creating another employee. So, same. Okay, so this is the same name this employee has, and this is the employee 4. We are passing also this employee 4 here. Okay, now how we can calculate the duplicate name? So emp list sorry, emp list dot stream dot map, and we can find that e employee e dot get name. Yes, we are finding the name, then collectors dot to list. Yes, so first we have calculated the name list. Okay, then from the name list we can find the duplicate element. So name list dot stream, again we should calculate, we use the stream function, stream dot filter name collections dot frequency, and we should pass the name list and frequency, whose frequency greater than 1. Here I will pass the name and greater than 1, then dot collect collectors dot to set. Okay, control to L. Now just print this. This is the duplicate name. Duplicate name list. Okay, just save it and launch it. Yes, so Sharin. So only Sharin is the duplicate name here found. Okay. In this way we can find the, first we should create a list of from the employee list we should first create the list of names, then on the name of list name we should operate the stream API. We should process the stream API function. Okay. So our next question is 25. Suppose employee has ID, name, city field and adds some value in it, convert to a list map using a grouping by based on city. Okay, so we need to create another employee class for that. Another one is multiple all arrays elements. Okay, so question number so these questions we are skipping because we need to create another employee for that. Okay. And if you want to see, I can write the code only. In this way you can also do. Okay, but before doing this coding you need to create a employee class like name, salary and list of project. We have created one class. In the same way you should create a class having field ID, name, city field. Okay, So the code in this we can write like, suppose the employee list, emp list dot stream dot collectors dot grouping by, we should do grouping by the here is given the city. So here what question is, convert list of using grouping based on the city. Okay, so grouping by employee colon get. So since we have no city, we can do one thing, we can group by the name, same name, group by the name. Okay, it will also group by the name. Sorry. Okay, and store it. Okay. Yes, it will group the employee based on the name. So in the same way, if there is a city field, or you can also add the city field in this employee class. In this employee class, you add the city field, and you can create getter and setter and constructor. You need to change all these fields, all these methods, getter, setter, and the constructor using fields. And also toString method. Then we can group by the pass the city or get name. You can pass the get city. Since there is no city, it will be not detected now. Okay, it will show the error. Okay. So in this we can group a particular class having the based on some particular field. Okay. So our next question is 26. Multiply all array elements. Suppose the integer array. So how we can multiply an array elements? Suppose there is integer array. Okay. So suppose this int error equal to, okay, so element is suppose 1 and 3, 4, 6, 8. Okay, these are the elements. Sorry, these are the integer array I have initialized. Then on this array we should multiply all the elements. So first we need to convert it as a list. So arrays dot as list, and in the as list method we can pass that array, and it will convert it in a list of integer. So this is list 1. Now on this list 1 we can operate, we can do the stream operation. List 1 dot stream dot reduce a comma b. This is the elements. Okay, any variable you can take, a into b. Okay, then dot get, and it will so this is the integer type. Okay, this is the integer array, arrays dot as list, and we can pass this array here, arrays dot as list. List of type int. You can take in this this is the integer array and can make it integer. Okay, because primitive type sometimes primitive type does not work in the stream functions or collection framework. Okay, now assign it in a sum multiplication results for result. This is the result. Okay, just print this result. So we have fetched one by one element from this array and we have multiplied all the array elements. Okay, just save it and run the application. Yes, so the multiplication result is 2880. Okay, so in this way we can multiply all the array elements. Our next question is sorting the employee list using comparator, also sort by a multiple field. So this is the EMP list. Okay, this is the EMP list. Yes. So next question is sorting the EMP list using comparator. Also sort multiple field. Okay, so EMP list dot stream EMP list EMP list stream dot directly we can use this sort also. EMP list dot sort. Here we are using stream directly using the comparator we are sorting. Okay, sort, then we are passing the comparator dot comparing. Okay, so based on the name employee and get name. Okay, then dot dot reversed. Just assign it in a no terminal operation is added, so it is just sorted. Then now employee list has sorted based on the comparator. Now we can compare by multiple fields. Comparator dot comparing employee dot emplo employee get name employee get name. One setting with the help of the name, another setting with the help of the suppose any salary or any city, anything. So then again then comparing employee dot get salary or city. Since city value is not there, so we are using the okay. The compiler does not define get name that is applicable here. Okay, so employee list sort. So if we will assign it in a variable, so there is error employee dot get name. Typing mistake error. So this is the type is comparator employee and then comparing. And we can create it in this way, emp list dot for each mp dot get name, then plus emp dot get salary. Okay, just save it and run it. Yes, you can see my elements are printing and comparing by the name and the salary field. So here we are using the multiple comparing with the multiple field. First field is the comparing by name, and then again we are comparing by the salary 2 times. So we have used here then comparing method. Okay. So our next question is how to reuse a stream. Okay, so how we can, generally stream cannot be reused. So but how we can reuse a particular stream? How to reuse a stream? Hint is use supplier functional interface. Okay. So for reuse a streams, there is a suppose string array is a string array str equal to we have initialized array. So this is this is John, and another variable is suppose Mike, another is suppose Huck. Okay, so this is the string array, and so we need to reuse the stream. So we first need to convert it. So there is supplier interface, supplier, and it's taking the type stream of string. This is the suppose input stream equal to there is a method in stream, that is stream dot off. Method is stream stream dot of, and we can pass this array. Supplier. So suppose stream dot stream dot stream dot off. Yes, there's off, and we can pass this str. So what it returns, stream of string. Okay, so this is a stream only. Then stream one dot, I can use for each also. For each we can print the element, no issue. Let's save it and run it. Yes, we got the output. John Mike Hawk. But how is reuse this stream? By using the supplier. Okay. So here we have printed the stream, but here if we again will print yes, you can show here it is showing error because it is showing stream has already been operated on operator closure. Okay, so once we have used the stream, we cannot reuse it. Okay, so since we have used it here, we have all time print, and okay, we cannot reuse it. So for this reason, we need to use this supplier. So here it is showing the error that Java LEL exceptions, but we can reuse the stream in this way. Supplier stream in stream, we have passed that str. Now just import this supplier. Okay, now using this, print this int stream dot get. Okay, dot for each element sysout e. Okay, now just print it. Yes, so on time now we have used the stream. Okay, now if we want to again want to do some operation, again we can do it. Like suppose this int stream dot get dot filter. We are doing again, after printing also again we are doing the operation. Suppose any variable s there is John, we have passed that John. Okay, dot equals for this S dot count. Okay, now it is store it in a long variable. Okay, long count. Now print this count. Okay, so you can see count is 1. Then John found only one time. Okay, and again also we can print this stream also. Yes, this is the reusability. We can show we have first use here, again we have do some operation, again we are printing the stream. That means we have reused the stream here. Yes, any number of time we can first we have print, then again we have print, then again do some operation, then again we have print the stream. Okay, so in this way we are reusing the stream here. You can see here you have 4 times you have reused the streams. Okay, so this is by using the supplier interface we can reuse the stream. So our next question is question number 29. Print all employee name and find employee having age greater than 20. But we have not the age field, but we can print based on the salary. Since we have not the age field, okay, print all employee name and find employee having salary greater than some value. We can print in this way. So attribute is not a matter, main is the logic. Okay, so emp list we can use in this way, emp list dot stream dot map employee get name dot collect collectors dot to list. Collectors dot dot to list. Okay, collectors dot to list. So it will print the all employee name. Name list. This is the name list. You can see these are the employee name it has printed. Now we want to do the age or salary greater than some value. So it is also say simple like emp list dot stream dot filter. We are filtering the emp employee emp dot get salary greater than 4,000 suppose. Okay, then dot collect, then collect in a list, collectors dot to list, and store it in a list. Okay, Okay, now just print this list. This is the okay. Just save it and run it. So this is the employee and this is the uh, employee having age having salary greater than 4,000. Okay, so there is one employee 5600, another employee is 6850. Only two employees are there. But if you want to like age, here we are doing great salary, having salary, since you have not the age fields greater than 4,000. So in the same way, if you have age, then you can pass that get age greater than some value 25. Okay, same process is same. So our next question is question number 30, that is print how are you to how are you by using the string joiner. Okay, so this is a very important question also, like asking to the experienced peoples. Okay, so suppose there is a variable string str equal to how are you. Okay, so this is a string. So first we need to convert it as a array, string array, string str arr equal to str dot split based on the space, because now it has converted to a string array. Now on this array we can do the join operation. So there is string joiner class, string joiner equal to new string joiner, and we can pass the field like in this way. Okay, we have to import the string joiner from Java util. Okay, now with the help of this joiner, like for string str colon error, we can join like joiner dot add add the one on str we will add. Then we can print this. This is str1. Okay, otherwise it will like str already declared before. Now we can print this, in this joiner dot to string. Okay, yes, so you can see our output, desired output is like that. How are you? Okay, so this bracket and the parenthesis. So if this is a list, also we can use another list dot stream dot collect collectors dot joining also we can use. Okay, so if suppose this is a list, then we can also join in this way, like list dot like we have completed array na. can convert it as just wait, first we can convert it as a list. Arrays a dot as list, we can pass this error. Okay, so it will convert a list. Okay, yes, so this is a list. Now on this list we can do the operation like joining function list dot list dot stream then dot collect. So there is a collectors dot joining. Okay, so collectors dot joining based on the hyphen. Okay, based on the hyphen, then store it in a string variable. Okay, so suppose this is the output. Okay, you have see in two way we have done this question. How we can print in this way? One way is string joiner method, string joiner class, and another one is like joining method of collectors. Okay, so in this way we can do these things. Okay, so our next question is last question: how to find highest number of occurrences of a character in a string? Okay, so how to find highest number of occurrences of a character in a string? So in the same type of question already we have done before also. So suppose there is string of string str equal to suppose hello world. So hello is 3 times here. Okay, so highest number of occurrences is L. Now we can use arrays dot stream, then we can split this one str dot split method. Okay, then dot collect, then collectors dot grouping by, collectors dot grouping by, one is function dot identity, and another value we need to pass, that is collectors dot counting, collectors dot counting dot entry set. Again we need to do the stream operation, stream dot max. So we need to pass the map dot entry dot comparing. So there is comparing by key and comparing by value. Comparing by value dot map map dot entry, there is a get key. Okay, we'll calculate the key of the hash element, get key dot, okay, dot, we can directly use the get, or we can also check if present or not. Okay, directly we can get that value. Okay, store it in a string variable. Okay, so this is the str1, suppose. Just run it, save it and run it. Oh, we have not printed this str1, sorry. Str1. Yes, so highest is the L. Here L is the highest number of times present. L 1, 2, 3 times is L present. Okay, so if we will suppose D O 2 times present, suppose another 2 O I have added, then it is 4 times. That means output should be O, because it is greater than L. Yes, output is O. We can also directly, instead of directly right here, directly we can do, directly also we can print the dot if present system dot out println. So in this way also we can print, no need to assign in other variable also. Okay, same output O, that means O is 4 times. If O will be deleted, then L is the desired output. Okay, so in this way we can also print the highest number of occurrences of an element. Here, like function identity, here also we can pass that for our easy purpose, we can pass in this way also, E lambda E. Okay, so that means same output will be come. Here also in pub.entry get key, directly we can use the get key method also here. So instead of map.entry we can use the e dot get key. Okay, in this way also we can use. The output remains same. Okay, this is L. If we added the 2O, then it will be O. Okay, O is present now 4 times. Okay. So next question. Okay, so this was our last question. Okay. So this is all about this video tutorial. So total 31 questions we have. In this video we have done the 21 questions, and previously video we have done the 10 question. Okay. So thank you guys, and if you think that you have got some knowledge or you have benefited from this video, so please like and share the video with your friends, and please subscribe the channel, by which I can get motivated and I can make more and more video for you. Okay, so thank you guys.